Good morning. Well, interesting. You're gapping up today. Gapping up quite a bit. We're up $3 on the cues. So, FOMC coming out tomorrow. What do we have? Retail sales come out at 7:30. 8:15 industrial production. Business inventories at 9. GDP at 11. Bond auction at noon. So, just trade what we see. Looking pretty bullish. Okay. Quite a gap up. We'll see what happens. Right now, the plan is wait for the open, see what the price action does. Got a little level of resistance to the top side. About $1 up. We decide to go up there, short it. We start moving down towards the close, kind of like the gap fill, or just to try to catch a little piece of the gap fill. Right now, like I said, we're looking pretty strong. Looking pretty strong. We just keep going up now. Yesterday was a little struggle. Today we just keep going up. There's Bella. Bella the trading cat. Here to say good morning, pet me. Hello, Bella. Well, I mean, we did have a huge spike when retail sales numbers came out. What did it go? 19,820. Heading back that way. So, so there's that. Where were, are we over yesterday's highs? Uh, Probably. Let's put a line here. Yesterday's lows on the futures as well, which quite a range. 530s to the almost 800s. Less than a 300-point range yesterday, or 630, almost a 200-point range today so far. So we are over yesterday's highs. Looking strong. 20 minutes to go. 19 minutes before the open. And we'd have to have a decent pullback for me to go long. And then I'm always wanting to play the gap fill, so just have to see what the price action looks like. Judge accordingly, Bella. We will judge accordingly. And man, we got quite a pullback we can make. Just follow this uptrend line. Pulling back to 760, 770s. That'd be healthy. That's 40, 50 points. Stands to reason that would be an area to bounce. What we got? Industrial production comes out 8:15. 3 minutes, Bella. We'll see some industrial production volatility come into the market. See what it does. Here's a little bit of a breath coming in. We got over the 800 level. Can they hold it? Can they hold it? I'll have to do a test stream using Streamlabs so I can use that. Use all the bells and whistles instead of this bare bones. Go live YouTube studio. Right, Bella? Stand to reason. Should test it out. Need some of that good mojo, Bella. Have another winning day. Guess I could log into Take Profit. They said it's supposed to update at 8 p.m., but I'd log in at 10 p.m., sometimes 11, and it still hasn't updated that day. So let's see, we're at the 5 days, so we reached that milestone. Only at 1,700 of the 3,000, so we need a little over 1,300 left to pass the account. Decent day yesterday, 335. It's my second biggest day of the 5 so far. 12 tickets traded. So far, that's my max trades in a day as well. Which basically that's 6 trades. Ticket in, ticket out. The way I understand it. So 1,300 stands to reason. We might need another 4 or 5 days to pass if we maintain our average. No rush. No rush. Trying to pull up the calendar. What do we have? Including today, we have 10 more days in this month. So I should be able to pass this account before the month is over. That averaged $130 a day. There's no rush, and then take it slow. Get the funded. You got to get the buffer, which is 2,000 on their 50K account. And then anything over the buffer, you can start requesting payouts. I think you request anything, but they charge more of a fee for if it's less than $500. I forgot what they said. Might be under the frequently asked questions. Payout system under wallet. It doesn't say. Withdrawal fees. Okay. So more than $250 requested, no fees. 250 or less, they charge you $50. And then I think it's also an 80-20 split. So you request $1,000, you get 800. They'll keep 200. And you can have 5 accounts with take profit. This is my first one. Hopefully, I'll get up to the 5. All right. Well, what came out? Industrial production came out at 8:15. Not much happened. What? What was that? Business inventories that comes out at 9. Take a look. Yeah, business inventories and the housing market index. Don't expect it to be huge numbers. Tomorrow afternoon's what everybody's holding their breath for. FOMC announcement. Excuse me. Allergies acting up this morning. I kind of want to get short. I might go ahead and get short on micro. Uh, just because I feel like been gapping up quite a bit on whatever they think's gonna happen. Right now, looks like it was a good move. Already up almost 8 points, but it's just a micro, so got a 50-point profit set. It'd just be $100 win if it hits. Right now, we're still over VWAP on the Qs, but we're heading that way. So we'll see what happens. 8 minutes. 8 minutes before we open. Well, took back our profit we were in. Bella, what are you doing? I'm bullish on the day. I think we probably do keep a green day. I think they're expecting some interest rate cuts tomorrow, and market will probably soar to the upside. All right, 6 minutes. 6 minutes. All right, we're at VWAP on the Qs. Well, it's getting bought up. 2 minute warning. 2 minute warning. 2 minutes till we open. What are we gonna do out of the gate? I don't know. I'll wait and see. Wait and see. FOMO always gets the best of me. I feel like I gotta predict the move. And really, you can just wait. There's always another opportunity, always another trade. There's always a reaction to the move, if there is a big move. Could just be a grind day, and then you just have to judge its price action. Right now, we're still holding this morning uptrend. Still over VWAP on the Qs and the NQ. I mean, we could, this market could soar thinking rate cuts coming and not look back. So it takes away, I was up 15 points, I think, at one point. Takes it all away. 20 seconds. See what we do out of the gate. Let's see what we do. All right, we're open. Little back and forth action. Don't see it picking a direction. Looks like it's holding. Gonna make a little run up. Yeah, looks like it's making a run up. About to pre-market highs. Oh, broke pre-market highs. We broke pre-market highs. Our average into position here. Getting pretty extended from VWAP. Looking pretty strong. Don't want to give anything back. Heading back to highs, and we're gonna make a new high. Are we gonna make a new high? We're gonna take a little breath here. take a breath. It's all right. It's all right. You can take a breath. It don't doesn't want to. Well, looks like it's giving it away. We're at yesterday's highs. I think it's gonna bounce there. Drink my last sip of coffee. What am I trying to get? Not quite 40 points, I think. Just under the dipped under VWAP on the Qs. And we're holding over 476. Can we hit 475? Dipping into the 475s. It's holding up though. It's getting bought up. We're gonna test a little lower. I think it's probably gonna hold here. And famous last words. Well, we caught a nice little move there. Gonna bounce back. Did we get out at the bottom almost? That's amazing. That's amazing. Who's this? That's ahead of our complaint department, Stella. Yeah, look, it bounced. Look where I got out at the bottom of that move almost. That's where I had my problem. Uh-oh, there we go. Making another little low. Uh, I'm 222 on the day. I may try to take some little scalps like we did yesterday. Maybe try to get that up to 300. Looks like we're going a little lower. Down to our trend line. Bouncing there. Running it back up to VWAP. Yeah, let's try a little scalp. Yeah, I didn't like it when I did it. There we go. Right up to VWAP. We're gonna bounce off VWAP. It's trying. It's trying. Are they gonna hold it? Don't tell me you're gonna hold it and bust through. Wouldn't surprise me. Go test the highs just because it knows I'm short. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, there you go. Just take a breath. It's okay to show weakness. It's okay to show weakness. People love weakness in the market. They eat it up. They eat it up. Come on, give it to me. Give it to me. There we go. All right. 278. I'm gonna go get a water, take a little break. We made a new low. Let's see. Put that there. Let's see. My P&L down there. Ideally, one more scalp could get me to the 300 mark. Under VWAP. Looks like they're trying to hold it up here. So I don't know if we get the gap fill. Quite a ways down. But it just doesn't look. This doesn't look strong. Holding this morning trend. We dip below it, and you can't trust that because it just shoots right back up. All right. Keeps getting rejected at VWAP. Yeah, but it keeps testing it. Another rejection. There we go. Got it through VWAP. Through yesterday's highs. Can we hold it? Rejected. Rejected again. Looks bearish, but it keeps running back up there. What are we gonna do? Looks like it wants to come down. And it's just putting up a fight. Or is it just trying to get some shorts tempted and make a run up? It's tricky. They're tricky. That's why it's Tricky Tuesday. I put that in the title. I don't remember. I think I did. For good reason. Yeah, tricky. Tricky. Oh, look. I look away for 30 seconds and we break out through VWAP. They make it look like it's heavy, like it wants to come down, then it shoots up. I mean, you got up here. Don't tell me you can't hold it and right back down to where we were. I'm gonna try it. I'll try another short scout. Of course, when I get in, now it's gonna hold it up here over VWAP. Yeah, now we're gonna go up. I mean, look at that. That candle is such a freaking tricky. You, you clever pieces of dog stew meat. They tricked me. Got it looking heavy. Get people in. Take it back up. Oh, there's more people down here who want to get in. Say bring it back down. Get some more people long. Get some more people short down here and then take it up. Why don't you do that? Okay, we shot through yesterday's highs and they're gonna hold it here. Come on. Yeah, it's not looking good for the shorts. I'll say it's not looking good for the longs either, because it don't look like it's got any strength to it. And we had a nice little flush to the downside, but not big enough. Need to keep flushing. We got a floater. Need to flush again. There you go. Flush it again. Don't bounce off my entry. I hate it when it does that. It does it every day. Every day price bounces off my entry. Yeah, it doesn't look like much, but sure feels like a lot. It's just looking strong. Now it looks strong. Holding over VWAP. They're just doing it slow. They're just gonna keep grinding it up, I think. Ain't got any flushes left in this. Test VWAP again. Just instantly gets bought up. I would like a flush, people. No, we're gonna go take it up here. I said, nope, we're gonna go back up. It's just gonna grind. There's a there's a pump. Get smacked down as soon as it pumps. Just makes you wonder. Looks like we want to go down to VWAP again, then it gets instantly bought up. This price action. It is hard to get a read on it. There's a little flush. All right, VWAP again. Gets bought up. It's getting bought up again. Can't flush through VWAP. Come on. Okay. It's okay. Let it flush. Let it flush on down a little bit. Let it flush. Come on, 80s. There we go. There we go. Little flush. Come on, don't bounce it here. All right, I think we might call it a day. 310 on the day. It's after commissions. Got $3 in commissions. Trading Michaels. I mean, that's how you have to manage your risk. You just have to trade small. Base hits add up. Base hits add up. I'm at 1,700, so that puts me at 2,000. I mean, you can see here. Puts me at 2,000 on the account. Got 1,000 to go. Oh, look, more flush coming in. Maybe we do the gap fill. Maybe we do the gap fill. Looking that way. But I'm happy. Daily goals hit. Should be fewer tickets today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think 9. I think 9 is my low. Yeah, I made 288 with 9 tickets one day. Should be 9 today for 300, whatever it is, 310. Third biggest day. I like it. 21 minutes into the market open. I'm done for the day. We'll come back tomorrow for Wild Wednesday, Wild FOMC Wednesday. We'll be here for the morning open. Hopefully, have another base hit. Thanks for not watching, all zero watchers. And see you tomorrow.